Wheel bugs are a type of assassin bug that targets many garden pests, normally making them beneficial insects. However, they'll still bite humans when mishandled, and their bites are known to be more painful than the sting of a bee. Because they primarily hunt garden pests, their presence on your property can indicate an additional underlying pest problem. So in this video, we'll show you how to identify and get rid of wheel bugs and their food sources so your lawn and garden can stay safe and green. You can save on pest control with DIY products and do it fast with free same-day shipping with Solutions Pest and Lawn. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about wheel bugs, click the icon in the top right of the screen or click the link in the description below. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. You can easily differentiate wheel bugs from other assassin bugs by identifying the cogwheel-shaped plate on the bug's thorax. No other assassin bug has this. Wheel bugs are among some of the largest true bug species, growing up to about 1 1/4 inches in length. They have wide abdomens and small, narrow heads with 2 thin antennae. Wheel bugs are typically a pale brown or gray in color. Being a true bug, it possesses a large, stinging, sucking proboscis, or fang. Wheel bugs reproduce at a rate of 1 generation per year, so you may find immature wheel bugs. Newly hatched wheel bugs are yellow in color, then become black and red as they mature into adolescence. When a wheel bug molts into an adult for the first time, its body is initially a bright red color, but it quickly fades into the regular pale brown or gray. Wheel bug eggs look like brown containers with white lids and are typically laid in clusters on trees. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what your pests look like, check around your property to confirm their presence or find hotspots of activity. Wheel bugs may be found where prey is abundant. This is usually outdoor near gardens or in woody areas, on trees, or among shrubbery. Wheel bugs will feed on caterpillars, armyworms, aphids, moths, and other soft-bodied insects. When inspecting your property outdoors, be on the lookout for any wheel bugs, egg clusters, their prey, and pest damage. If you've found wheel bugs on your property, it's likely your lawn or garden may be infested with damaging pests. Identify any pests that may be present, as you'll use that information to determine your treatment's application rates. Be careful not to approach any wheel bugs you may find or mishandle them, as they will bite you out of self-defense. After identifying your pest and inspecting for activity on your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry. If you're experiencing a large infestation of wheel bugs on your property, you can get rid of them by treating their food sources. You can do this with an application of Bifen LP Granules followed by an application of Reclaim IT. First, calculate your lawn's square footage to determine how much product you need to use. You can do this by measuring the area's length and width, then multiply them together. Bifen LP is a ready-to-use insecticide made with bifenthrin that controls many types of pests, including armyworms, mealybugs, mole crickets, and other pests that wheel bugs will target. In turf, you'll apply this product with a push spreader at a rate of 1.15 to 2.3 pounds per 1,000 square feet of treatment area, depending on the pest you're targeting. You can also use a hand spreader for smaller applications like in garden beds. Load your spreader with the proper amount of Bifen LP and evenly distribute all of it throughout your treatment area. With a push spreader, broadcast half your granules in parallel lines once across your area, then broadcast the other half at a perpendicular angle to cover the area in its entirety. Once you've finished your Bifen LP application, it will need to be watered in to be activated and pushed into the soil. You can do this with an application of Reclaim IT. Reclaim IT is a bifenthrin-based liquid insecticide product labeled to treat over 70 different pests, including many pests that may be targeted by wheel bugs. You'll apply this product at a rate of 0.125 fluid ounces to 1 whole fluid ounce per 1,000 square feet of treatment area, depending on the pest you're targeting. We recommend you use a 20-gallon hose and sprayer since you'll be making a large volume broadcast application. To use the 20-gallon hose and sprayer, remove the reservoir from the nozzle, make sure the sprayer's control valve and your water pump are off, then attach the nozzle to the hose. Add the proper amount of Reclaim IT, then fill the reservoir with enough water to treat the entire lawn. To make sure you thoroughly coat the area and push the product into the soil, use at least 2 gallons of water per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. Double check to make sure your control valve and water pump are still off, then reattach the reservoir to the nozzle. Once you've ensured a tight connection, you can now turn the water on. To spray, push forward on the control valve. To stop, simply pull the valve back into the off position. To control pests in your lawn, evenly distribute the entire amount of product over your treatment area. As you make your application, keep an eye on the amount of product you have left in the sprayer's reservoir. When the liquid in the reservoir runs out, no product will be applied. When applied properly, the bifenthrin from this application and the Bifen granules will absorb into the soil and the plant's roots. Pests that eat the treated plants or burrow into the soil will begin to die within 24 hours. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after you've applied pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to make sure it can't happen. The key to preventing wheel bug reinfestation is to ensure their food sources are unable to infest your property. First, you'll need to clean up your property to reduce pest harborages. Pick up any debris and rake away any leaf litter. If you keep firewood, make sure it's properly stacked and covered as far away from your structure as possible. Next, you'll want to take measures to reduce moisture on your lawn. By reducing the available water in the area, pests won't have the resources to survive. Drain any sources of standing water like bird baths, and reduce shade on your lawn by trimming overhanging tree branches and overgrown shrubbery. This will expose your lawn to more sunlight and encourage water evaporation. Finally, be sure to keep up with timed applications of Bifen LP and Reclaim IT. These products will leave a residual that lasts for up to 3 months, so we recommend you make applications quarterly for year-round control. Wheel bugs may target other pests, but that won't stop them from stinging humans if we get too close. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop wheel bugs and other pests from infesting your property, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share, and if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.